Hello, future engineers. Here is another video in structural fit analysis, and this is about the analysis of indeterminate beams by multiple methods. And the first method, of course, is the analysis by double integration method. So here is the first problem. By double integration method, determine the vertical reaction at C here and the deflection under the 20 kilonewton load. So EI is constant. So first, let's designate the reactions, external reactions at the support shown. Mm, let's highlight this R sub C here. Then we have to section up to EF because this is double integration. Then the intensity of the loading at the end of this section is by similar triangles. Let us say W as to this is x minus 15 equals 24 as to 6. Since 24 as to 6 is 4, so therefore the intensity of the loading in general in terms of x here is 4 times x minus 15 as shown. So we now set up the differential equation of the elastic curve. EI y double prime equals moment in this section in general. Let's have one moment equation and we can do that. So EI y double prime equals RB times x minus 2 plus RC times quantity x minus 10 plus RD times quantity x minus 15 plus RE quantity x minus 19. Then plus, imagine we have an extended load here of 20. So 20 times quantity x minus 10, moment arm x minus 10 over 2. So that's why it reduces to 10 quantity x minus 10 square. So again, imagine a uniform load here of 20 to because we extend, imagine also extension of this 20 kilonewton load. So plus 20 times x minus 10, x minus 10 over 2. So that's 10 quantity x minus 10 square. Then minus the moment of this loading, which is entirely up to here, 20 times x over 2 or minus 10x square. Then minus 20 times quantity x minus 12. Then minus 1/2 of quantity x minus 15 times 4 times x minus 15. So that becomes 2 times x minus 15 square. Moment arm quantity x minus 15 over 3. So it reduces to 2 quantity x minus 15 cube over 3. So that's the differential equation of the elastic curve. Integrating once, EI y prime equals RB over 2 quantity x minus 2 square plus RC over 2 quantity x minus 10 square plus RD over 2 quantity x minus 15 square plus RE over 2 quantity x minus 19 square plus 10 thirds x minus 10 cube minus 10 thirds x cube, then minus 10 x minus 12 square, then minus 1/6 of quantity x minus 15 to the fourth, then plus c sub 1. Next, integrate again so that we'll have the equation of the elastic curve. EIY equals RB quantity x minus 2 cube over 6 plus RC x minus 10 cube over 6 plus RD quantity x minus 15 cube over 6 plus RD quantity x minus 19 cube over 6 plus 5 over 6 of x minus 10 to the fourth minus 5 over 6 x to the fourth, then minus 10 thirds quantity x minus 12 cube, then minus 1 times x minus 15 to the 5 over 30 plus c sub 1x plus c sub 2. We then reinforce the boundary conditions. When x is 2, y is 0. So 0 equals everything will be 2. So let's begin with this. Negative 5 times 2 to the 4th over 6. Then plus c sub 1 times 2 plus c sub 2. Simplifying this equation, we have 2c sub 1 plus c sub 2 equals 40 over 3. Call that equation 1. Then x is 10 here at c, y is 0. So we have 0 equals RB 8 cubed over 6. Ignore. Minus 5 times 10 to the 4th over 6. Then plus c sub 1 times 10 plus c sub 2. Simplifying, we have 256 over 3 RB plus 10 C sub 1 plus C sub 2 equals 25,000 over 3. Call that equation 2. Next, we set x equals 15, then y is 0 into this equation. So 0 equals 13 cube, RB 13 cube over 6 plus RC 5 cube over 6. Ignore. Then plus 5 times 5 to the 4th over 6 minus 5 times 15 fourth over 6. Then minus 10 thirds 3 cube, which is this. Then plus c sub 1 times 15 plus c sub 2. Simplifying, we have 2197 over 6 RB plus 125 over 6 RC plus 15 C sub 1 plus C sub 2 equals 125,270 over 3. Call that equation 3. Then, when x is 19, y is 0, again into this equation. So we have 0 equals RB 17 cube over 6 plus RC 9 cube over 6 plus RD 4 cube over 6. Then plus 5 6 of 9 to the 4th minus 5 6 of 19 to the 4th minus 10 thirds of 7 cube, then minus 4 to the 5 over 30, then plus c sub 1 times 19 plus c sub 2. So simplifying this equation, we have 4913 over 6 RB plus 121.5 RC plus 32 over 3 RD plus 19 C sub 1 plus C sub 2 equals 1043, 10.8. Call that equation 4. Then our fifth equation would be based on this differential equation of elastic curve. Remember that this means moment. So we set x is 19 and the moment at E is negative 16 because the intensity of the loading under E is 16. And you can verify that by similar triangles. So negative of quantity 16 times 2 times 1 minus the moment of the triangular load here, which is 1/2 of 2 times 8, where 8 kilonewton per meter is 24 minus 16, and moment arm is 2/3 of 2 or 4/3. And that is negative 128 over 3. You can check that. So negative 128 over 3 into this equation. It's also like taking moment about E. So this equation here, when you set x is 19. But I'll use this. So negative 128 over 3 equals RB times 19 minus also 17 plus 9 RC plus 4 RD, then plus 10 times 9 square minus 10 times 19 square minus 20 times 7, because 19 minus 12 is 7, then minus 2 times 4 cube over 3. It's this. So simplifying this equation, we have 17 RB plus 9 RC plus 4 RD equals 2940. Let's call this equation 5. I have here color coding because these orange equations would be used in solving the unknowns. So from equation 1, C sub 2 is 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1. Let's substitute that into equation 2 to reduce the number of unknowns to 4. So so that it will be manageable. So into equation 2, the value of C sub 2 is 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1. So 256 over 3 RB plus 10 C sub 1 plus 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1 here, substitute, equals 25,000 over 3. Simplifying this equation, 256 over 3 plus 8 C sub 1 equals A320. Call that equation 2A. Then substitute C sub 2 equals 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1 into equation 3. So 2197 RB over 6 plus 125 over 6 RC plus 15 C sub 1 plus 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1 equals 125 270 over 3. Simplifying this equation, we have 2197 over 6 RB plus 125 over 6 RC plus plus 13 C sub 1 equals 125 230 over 3. Call that equation 3A. Then substitute into equation 4 the value of C sub 2, which is 40 over 3 minus 2 C sub 1, and simplify that equation. We obtained, I just put it directly here, 4913 over 6 plus 121.5 RC plus 32 over 3 RD plus 17 C sub 1 equals, this would be the new constant in the right side, uh, 104297.467. Call that equation 4A. So solving simultaneously equations 2A, 3A, 4A, and 5, we obtain, using your high-tech calculator, the following. RB is 112.813 kilonewtons. R sub C, which is the required here, is 122.806 kilonewtons. RD is equal to negative 20.767, and C sub 1 is equal to negative 163.335. For the deflection at under the 20 kilonewton load, we simply substitute X is 12 into this equation here. So EI delta 20 equals RB 112.813 times 10 cube over 6 plus, so this is now 0, 0, this is RC 2 cube. RC is 122.806, then 2 cube over 6, then plus 5, 2 to the 4th over 6, minus 5 times 12 to the 4th over 6, which is this, then 0, because negative, not included, plus C sub 1 times 12, this is negative, this is C sub 1, which is negative 163.335, then times 12 plus C sub 2, and C sub 2 is 40 over 3 minus 2 times C sub 1. So evaluating the deflection under the 20 kilonewton load is equal to 79.225 over EI. So that's it for this video.